Amapiano didn't just go global, it changed its sound. When Amapiano first came out, it was slow, soulful, and deeply rooted in South African township culture. Pianos were warm, melodies were emotional, and the groove was all about the feeling. But as Amapiano spread across the world, the sound began to evolve. Producers started speeding things up, simplifying melodies, and pushing the log drum to the front. Today's Amapiano is more minimal, more rhythmic, and more club-ready. We now hear Amapiano blended with Afro R&B, three-step, Afro tech, and even pop music. Vocals are shorter, drops are cleaner, and tracks are designed to hit hard, especially on dance floors and social media. Platforms like TikTok and global streaming have changed how music is made. Songs need strong moments, quick impact, and viral potential. And Amapiano adapted. The question is Amapiano losing its soul, or just evolving with the world? In the next episode, we'll break down how dance culture and social media decide which Amapiano songs blow up. Please leave a like and subscribe